Hey guys, it's Jess with Simple and Savvy Home, and I am back in the kitchen. This time we're talking about watermelon. Nothing quite says summer like watermelon and strawberries, which I know I shared with you not that long ago. But watermelon is in season right now. I think it's in season from May until about September, with July and August being the peak months. So now is our time. So I'm going to share with you two super easy recipes I hope you will enjoy. They are definitely fan favorites and with my family, so I hope it is with yours. So this first one is just my simple watermelon salad recipe, and you just need a few ingredients. You just need a watermelon, some feta crumbled cheese, fresh basil, pepper, and some balsamic glaze. So let's get started. So you just take some watermelon. Luckily my local grocery store sells watermelon kind of sliced this way, like kind of prepared in chunks, which is like easy and great. So I'm just putting some in my bowl here. And the best part about it is that you can either make like one big bowl for, you know, kind of like a family style, or you can do it individually, which is what I'm doing here right now, which is sometimes nice for an easy dinner. Okay, so just a little bit more. Okay, and then we are good to go. And I'm just kind of cutting them into some smaller pieces, which is great. Okay, next I add some feta crumbles. And you just kind of add it, you know, to taste. Oh, so good. So I like to buy the feta in kind of like a block of cheese, kind of like what you've got right here. And then I like to crumble it up myself. I do know that the stores will sometimes sell the feta cheese already, you know, in crumbles, which makes it easier. Then you add the basil, and oh my goodness, I just love the smell of fresh basil. Amazing. So you just add a few pieces of basil to each bowl here. I'm a big fan of basil, so I'm gonna probably go a little bit overboard with the basil, but you know, you add as you would like. And then it's at this point that I like to add the pepper, just some freshly ground pepper. Okay, and then just a little sprinkle of this balsamic glaze, and it just is like the perfect recipe. That was the perfect bite. I am back with my second super easy watermelon recipe for you. And this time I just take some sliced watermelon, as you can see here, some fresh limes, and some Tahin seasoning, which I love, by the way. So basically you just have your watermelon out like this, and you just take your lime and just a little bit of lime juice along all of the, you know, the watermelon there, which is like perfect. And then just a little sprinkle of Tahin. And I'm kind of like, I love this Tahin seasoning, so again, I might go like a little overboard with it, but that's it. It's like beautiful and super easy, and another real family favorite over here. Hope you guys like it too.